it's Shadow City Chiefs versus Earthquakes, and let's see what game we have today. Okay. I think that was, he just hit with the wrong foot. Sometimes I do that in soccer. Okay, go kick. Go! By the way, we're having this in Louisville, Kentucky. That was so crazy. I need to find the ball. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. We're all set. Okay. Yeah. 1v1. Oh! I saw that challenge was going. That was crazy. Oh! Okay, it's gonna be a Wi-Fi corner kick. Okay, Adrian's Garden. Okay, some more. Okay, let's just try to get that there. Okay. Ah! It's an own goal. It hit off this guy and went in the goal. Did you say that? That was crazy. But no repeats because he's probably too embarrassed. Okay. Now okay. So referee's going to look how many minutes we have left. We have at least 1 minute left. Okay, so referee's here. Say hi. His name is Steve. So, okay. You met him last video, but this is kind of embarrassing. So let's go. Oh my gosh, what a shot. Did you say that? I don't think the camera even got that on. Or maybe barely. Just barely. Always very disappointed in himself. It was too terrifying that he wouldn't even try. He didn't even get a hand on it. What? Okay. Only a couple more seconds. So let's see. What? Oh, I think it's over. Is it over? Okay, referee says no more minutes added on. So now the Earthquakes won versus Shadow City Chiefs. If you were cheering for them, then you were right to cheer for them. And full time.